Hi, I'm Eileen from Tongwei's marketing team. Today, let's talk about one of the coolest core technologies behind our TNC 2.0 module, the 908 technology. What kind of magic does it use? And how can it help solar panels produce even more electricity? Let's start with a simple question. What are those metal lines on a solar cell actually for? Traditionally, you'll see lots of thin lines on the surface of a solar cell. These are like tiny wires that collect current generated from sunlight. But to actually send that power out, they need to pass it to a few thicker metal lines first, called busbars. How have these busbars evolved? Let's take a quick trip through the history of the busbar. In the 4BB era, panels had just a few big busbars, just like wide highways, but they blocked a lot of sunlight. Then came the multi-busbar era. Thanks to better soldering, we could use more and thinner lines. So less shading and more power became possible. Next was the SMBB era. Over 16 thin lines, even better performance, and now Tongwei brings in the 908 era. What's special about 908? Thanks to new breakthroughs in soldering, we don't need thick bus bars anymore. We can remove them entirely, leaving only ultra-thin, high-efficiency lines that do what they're meant to do, carry electricity. That's why we call it zero bus bar. With narrower lines and smarter design, the solar cell lets through more light, and the electricity flows more efficiently through the 24 ultra-fine fast lanes. This cuts down resistance and energy loss, so the panel can generate even more power. And you may be wondering, how much more? Over 0.5% more electricity than a traditional panel. That might sound small, but for a 100 megawatt solar farm, it means 1.34 million extra kilowatt hours generated a year. That's enough to power 100 homes for over 5 years. Tongwei's 908 technology isn't about taking things away. It's about upgrading to the next level of solar efficiency. Want to know more about the hidden gems inside the TNC 2.0 module? Follow us and we'll break it down in the next video.